When flour materials are required in the production line, the fan uses dried air to positively convey flour through the sieve machine. Wijay company uses a patented sieve machine that can ensure the safety of the sieve without the need to stop the machine. In case of damage, it will automatically alert without the need for manual intervention, fully meeting HACCP system requirements. The sieve machine's mesh size can reach 0.6 mm, capable of sieving even tiny impurities like insect eggs. The sifted flour then goes through the weighing hopper above the production line and noodle machine. The weighing hopper displays the weight in real time, and when the conveyed flour approaches the set value of the product formula, the control system starts to reduce the conveying speed through PID calculation. Wijay engineer's unique algorithm ensures a measuring accuracy of within plus or minus 0.5%, and in special requirements, it can reach plus or minus 0.1%. According to the set formula, the system can automatically convey 3 types of flour to the weighing tank. When the batching is completed according to the formula, it waits for the mixing machine's material demand signal. If it receives the demand signal from the noodle machine, it will automatically open the valve and start the fluidization system to feed into the mixer. The air discharged from the mixer is recycled back to the weighing hopper to ensure that dust does not contaminate the workshop environment. Wijay material automation systems are designed at the leading edge, using first-class equipment and components, 90% of which are supplied by wholly owned European companies, most of which are more than 100 years old, to ensure high system reliability and therefore extremely low maintenance time and costs. This ensures a comprehensive competitive advantage for the enterprise.